Hey there, history enthusiasts and celebrity fans. Welcome back to Celebrities in History, your ultimate source for the most fascinating, weird, and mind-blowing facts about famous figures and their unforgettable moments. Today, we're diving into 20 astonishing celebrity events that happened on November 1st throughout history. Trust us, some of these will leave you speechless. So grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Number 20. On November 1st, 1997, the epic film Titanic premiered at the Tokyo International Film Festival. Director James Cameron set sail on a journey that would make waves in cinema history. Talk about making a splash. Number 19. Born on November 1st, 1962, Anthony Kiedis, lead singer of the Red Hot Chili Peppers, turns 62 in 2024. He's been giving us Californication vibes for decades, still rocking those socks off. Number 18. Tim Cook, CEO of Apple Inc., was born on November 1st, 1960. Turning 64, he's been keeping the Apple polished and the tech world buzzing. Guess an apple a day really does keep the doctor away. Number 17. On November 1st, 1512, Michelangelo unveiled the Sistine Chapel ceiling. Not your typical celebrity, but hey, his work is still the ceiling of excellence, pun intended. Number 16. Actress Jenny McCarthy was born on November 1st, 1972. Turning 52, she's been making us laugh since her days on Singled Out. And yes, she's still got that comedic charm. Number 15. Lyle Lovett, born on November 1st, 1957, turns 67. This country singer proved you don't need Hollywood looks to marry Julia Roberts, just a killer voice and a unique hairstyle. Number 14. On November 1st, 1968, George Harrison released Wonderwall Music, the first solo album by a Beatle. Oasis fans, you might owe him some royalties for that song title. Number 13. Born on November 1st, 1972, actress Toni Collette turns 52. From The Sixth Sense to Hereditary, she's the queen of making us question our nightlights. Number 12. David Foster, famed music producer, was born on November 1st, 1949. Turning 75, he's the maestro behind hits from Whitney Houston to Michael Bublé. Talk about having an ear for talent. Number 11. On November 1st, 1996, the action film Set It Off was released, starring Queen Latifah and Jada Pinkett Smith. 4 women, 1 epic heist. Who run the world? Girls. Number 10. Born on November 1st, 1997, actor Alex Wolff turns 27. Known for Hereditary and Jumanji, he's proving that talent runs in the family. His brother is actor Nat Wolff. Number 9. On November 1st, 1959, Jacques Plante became the first NHL goalie to wear a mask full-time after taking a puck to the face. Safety first, folks. Fashion statement second. Number 8. Natalia Tena, born on November 1st, 1984, turns 40. She played Nymphadora Tonks in Harry Potter and Osha in Game of Thrones. Magic and medieval, she's got it covered. Number 7. On November 1st, 2000, the first crew arrived at the International Space Station. Not celebrities in Hollywood, but definitely stars among us. Number 6. Born on November 1st, 1957, actor Peter Ostrom turns 67. He played Charlie Bucket in Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, and then retired. Talk about a golden ticket to normalcy. Number 5. On November 1st, 1970, Genesis performed their first gig with Phil Collins as drummer. From behind the drums to frontman, Phil was just getting started on his Sussudio journey. Number 4. Sophia von Haselberg, born on November 1st, 1986, turns 38. Daughter of Bette Midler, she's carving her own path in acting, proving talent is in the genes. Number 3. On November 1st, 1993, River Phoenix tragically died at age 23. A rising star from films like Stand By Me, his untimely death shook Hollywood. Number 2. Born on November 1st, 1973, actress Aishwarya Rai Bachchan turns 51. Miss World, 1994, and Bollywood superstar, she's often called the most beautiful woman in the world. Number 1. On November 1st, 1955, the Vietnam War officially began for the U.S. Not a celebrity event per se, but it influenced countless artists and celebrities who protested and shaped culture during that era. If you enjoyed this journey through celebrity history, make sure to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Celebrities in History for more mind-blowing facts. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support keeps us digging up the most astonishing tales from the past.